I woke up and I can't stop thinking about thick chocolate chip cookies, the Levion style chocolate chip cookies. I just can't stop thinking about them. They're ridiculously good. I could probably eat 30 of them. I'm not going to, but I definitely want to. So instead of just talking about it right now, let's jump in and make some because I really want them. Let's go. First thing you're going to want to do is get all your stuff out and ready to work with. So mise en place all your ingredients. 80 grams of sugar, 250 grams of self-rising flour, 150 grams of AP flour, teaspoon of baking powder, teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of vanilla extract, 200 grams of butter, 200 grams of butter, and about 340 grams of chocolate chips. It's just a bag of chocolate chips, whatever you kind of like. I'm not a great baker, so I have to mise en place everything in advance, get it all set up, and then work on my technique. It's no big deal if you don't have a KitchenAid. I'm just lazy, so I like KitchenAid. Toss in your butter, and then you want to toss on a paddle attachment. If you don't have a KitchenAid, you can do this with a wooden spoon. I'm just lazy. So if you have a KitchenAid, use it. So you want to start off on low. Just break up the butter just a bit. And then add in your brown sugar and your white sugar. Whoa! Get in there. Crack 2 eggs. Once that's mixed together, go ahead and add your 2 eggs and toss in your vanilla. You want to mix your dry ingredients, the flours and the baking soda and salt. Whisk it together and then add that to your wet ingredients. Gently mix this up so you don't develop a bunch of gluten and have a tough cookie. Now you're going to want to mix in your chocolate chip cookies. If you do this by hand, you're an athlete. Raw cookie dough will make you sick. Oh well. Worth it. Now weigh them out to 120 grams. I like to freeze them individually, so you can just take them out and bake them off when you want. So you don't have like a ton of chocolate chip cookies taunting you every day. These are frozen till later, and then these guys, these are frozen for tonight. So you want to toss these in for like a couple hours to freeze. That way they don't melt everywhere. All right, I pretty much ran out of patience. They're frozen. So we're gonna toss them in a 350-degree oven for about 15 minutes. Make sure there's plenty of room around this because there's a lot of dough. Pull them after about 15 minutes. You want to let them cool on the rack because you want them to harden up because they're kind of gooey in the middle. So you want to give them time to do their thing. Cookie time. I love cookies. I love thick, gooey cookies. If they're a little raw in the middle, I don't even mind. These ones are like perfect for me. They're so good. Oh. I hope you guys enjoyed the videos. Thanks for hanging out with me. Hit the like button and I'll see you guys later. I don't know why I'm telling you to hit the like button. You'll either like it or not. I don't care. I'll see you later. Bye.